Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in the KT Garage. In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple way to turn off your alarm system while you're working on the vehicle. Now what happened is there's a tilt sensor on these C8s that every time you lift the vehicle and then lower back down, the alarm's going to go off. And there's a very simple way to fix that. What you need to do is, when the car is on, you go ahead and unlock the car. So while you unlock the car, the alarm is turned off for a very, very short time. So immediately you open up the front. And when you open up the front, this is gonna not alarm until you close the front again. The car senses that the front's open, it's not gonna lock the car. So now you have all kinds of time to work in your car. I actually worked on the car all weekend long, and I was doing brake work, and I was lifting up and down and everything, and no alarm going off. So that's great. Now to reactivate it is really simple. Just go ahead and close the front and wait for just a few seconds. You can hear that is gonna arm itself, because now the sensor, the front sensor is closed. So that's it, guys. It's really simple, and then your car is back to where it started. Now there's a few people that trying to go inside a car and go through the system setting and trying to turn off the alarm. They probably can do that, but why go through all of that? Well, you can just do the easy way from outside, clicking a couple of buttons, and then you're done. Well guys, that's it. I appreciate you guys tuning in to KT Garage. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.